Hello again, my lovely, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today I just want to jump in quickly to show you some cards that are made with supplies that I received in my Alexandra Renke subscription box or Kreativ-Box in April, and also show you what else I received with my next box in May. And here I'm showing you the arms, which is the die called Warm Hug, which I received to send Dirk a hug for his birthday. And I'm also using the die called Astarella that I also received in that box to make this card. And I used foam to back the top card that I cut with my silhouette from watercolor paper from Fabriano. It's a 25% cotton watercolor paper, which is very sturdy, and then I backed it up with one of the red papers from Alexandra Renke, and that also formed a nice frame. And I used the calm papers to cut the dies from for the flowers. And here's my box with a lot of the wonderful paper from Alexandra Renke, and only a small packet with dies. So the first die is called Leaves Grasses Set, and I waited for ages to have this. It went out of stock for quite a while, so now I finally have it, but I didn't use it for this next project. And then the two other packets I have here is, the first one is the die Liliana, and then the next one is the die, well, I'm showing you the name here. Sorry if it's out of focus. And the next die is called Rosida. It's actually like a fuchsia. And there you can see it's supposed to hang down. And the other one, I think it's modeled after a tulip, though I'm not 100% sure. So these are some dies, and I have another one coming eventually with my next subscription box. So here I'm showing you close-ups of all the die cuts and the finished card, which is also cut from the watercolor paper that I mentioned earlier. And the die cuts are all made from the calm papers that I received in the last Alexandra Renke box. So I hope you like this little snippet, and if you did, please click like below, follow my channel and all the good things, and I hope to be back soon with another video showing you exactly what I'm doing. And until then, do take care, do what you love, bye for now, ta-da!